I'm sorry, guys. It happened again. I accidentally finished my video. Move. Okay, and I told you like 2 likes, and I buried that one. Now I'm gonna be buried this one. Like, hey guys, I'm sorry that I messed up again. I always mess up a lot.
He's really dumb.
I'm not dumb. How am I supposed to do this?
Where it's not buried, so it won't drop.
There we go. Oh my gosh, that's deep, but that's perfect.
This guy needs flowers.
Get some flowers for this boy bird.
You don't know if it's a boy.
Well,
They could be brother or a sister.
wow, I know
They
that's
could
a
be
boy.
They could probably be 2 boys, twins, because they look like each other. Of course, because they're the same bird.
Look, guys, my hands all dirty. This one's all clean, but this is all dirty. Okay, guys.
Okay, can we show them the birdies around a little bit?
I showed them already.
You want to show them Remy?
Yeah, that's our dog. Sometimes he's
not
grouchy.
ours.
Well, they're not ours, but he's kind of mean. And
Care for a little while. Then giving them back.
yes,
That's what we're doing. We're not keeping them, I wish.
so I didn't know what to do for this video. I'll show you the dead baby birds. No, I mean kid birds. What is that? Phew. What?
You didn't show them the bunny or Odie or Ike or Pearl.
Oh yeah, we have a bunny and 4 dogs.
He's dusty. And he's brown and
Well,
fluffy.
no. Our bunny's name is
We're taking care of the bunny and
Dusty.
we're taking care of the bunny and the 2 chihuahuas, but we're not keeping them and we're gonna give them back.
Odie and Remy right there, and Pearl and Ike. They're both white dogs, and they're
I
old.
know, Ike is
Well,
a little bit
Ike
brown.
is 20. Pearl is, I don't know.
Kind of
Pearl is a girl. Ike is a boy. And Remy and Odie are both boys. So. No! Stop! Stop it! No digging! How dare you dig my grave? It's my baby. Remy! Why you dig my grave? Stop! You. Stop it!
We should move the nest. Because up in Daddy mode. Maybe we should take the stick out. Daddy probably was gonna mow our yard again. And he says we can't stick them out. So that's why we don't like when they are. And the neighbors care.
What is that? No, this. Oh. There's a whole bunch of birds out raiding nest.
I found a crow before, and then when we looked in that tree, a cat was here, and then when we checked the crow, it was gone.
Yeah. So I don't know what to do for this video.
Wait! Where did Remy go? Remy?
Boy.
Wait, where did Remy go?
I don't know. Remy! Where'd he go? What? Search. Ow.
Okay, open.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Remy!
Yeah, I almost set the dog to do.
I check out the front yard. You check out the backyard. Or not. Remy! Where'd you go, boy? Maybe in the garage. Snover's here. No. He always hides. I got my noodle. My noodle. I know, but he comes back. Remy!
Rim!
Where is he?
Yeah. Let's go check and see.
No, guys. Tell me if you say like he ran off or like.
Remy too.
No, no.